Goldman Sachs, Bitcoin. Goldman Sachs is widely acknowledged as the world's preeminent provider of investment banking services. According to several league tables, the company is the most trusted counsel to some of the world's largest companies. Hey there, and welcome to Altcoin Capital. Today, we're going to talk about Goldman Sachs and how they bought into some Bitcoin software and how that affects the crypto market. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Now, let's jump right into it. JP Morgan Chase & Company has built a blockchain-based network for buyback agreements that employ intelligent contracts and a digital representation of the US currency. Goldman Sachs Group Inc. has just joined the network. Customers of Goldman Sachs's wealth management division have already been able to invest in digital assets like Bitcoin. Their private wealth management section is targeted at the wealthiest clientele, those with a minimum investment of $25 million who wanted a piece of the Bitcoin action. To know more about Goldman Sachs' contributions to cryptocurrency, keep watching. Is gold and Bitcoin on the same level? In a research note to the clients, Goldman Sachs analyst Zach Pendle said that Bitcoin would overtake gold in market share in 2022 as digital assets gain traction. According to Goldman Sachs, with its $700 billion market capitalization, Bitcoin presently has a 20% share of the store of value market compared to about $2.6 trillion worth of gold. Most likely, Goldman Sachs said in a list of forecasts for 2022, Bitcoin would increase its share of the whole market. According to the memo, the price of Bitcoin would rise to well over $100,000 if it had a 50% share of this market. If an asset can keep its value, regardless of how long the market has been functioning, it is a store of value. An excellent example of a store of value is gold. Analysts at Goldman Sachs believe that the percentage of Bitcoin in a portfolio will only rise over the long term. A 50% portion of the store of value allotment for Bitcoin would mean that the price would almost certainly reach $100,000. As of 2021, the price of Bitcoin has risen 60%. Against this, gold prices declined 3.6%. This is the company's poorest showing since 2015. Gold and Bitcoin have two characteristics. If you keep them in their basic form, they will not pay you any interest or dividends. They are less vulnerable to counterfeiting than paper money because they cannot be indefinitely reproduced. In theory, both may be considered a store of value, but that remains debatable. On the points of contrast between the two now, two immediately come to mind. Gold has been used as a store of wealth for thousands of years. Comparatively speaking, Bitcoin is a relatively unknown entity and lacks a history to support it. In its natural condition, gold may be discovered. Bitcoin is a computer program. Goldman Sachs conducts first over-the-counter crypto trade with Galaxy. One of the Wall Street's most well-known financial institutions, Goldman Sachs linked an OTC cryptocurrency trading deal with a digital asset financing business, Galaxy Digital, which the parties are calling a first. Galaxy, located in New York, made the deal public through a press statement. As a non-deliverable option deal, the transaction was represented in the statement as a form of cash-settled cryptocurrency option. According to Galaxy, this is the first OTC crypto transaction by a major bank in the US, as Goldman Sachs keeps extending its cryptocurrency services, illustrating the continuous development and embrace of digital assets by financial institutions. According to a press release, Goldman Sachs' partnership with Galaxy will be continued under this agreement. When it was announced that Goldman Sachs relaunched its crypto trading desk in March of last year, CoinDesk said it was due to rising demand from institutional customers. You know what? Galaxy, which announced in June, Bitcoin futures blocked transactions on the CME market will now be liquidated. Goldman provided access to an Ether, or ETH, fund launched by Galaxy for its customers. According to his company's website, Galaxy CEO and founder Michael Novogratz worked at Goldman Sachs for 11 years. First big bank in US providing open over-the-counter crypto. The investment company Galaxy Digital and Goldman Sachs have traded a non-deliverable option, a Bitcoin-linked product. One of the most prominent banks in the United States has made its first foray into the crypto market with an OTC deal. Options that cannot be delivered are paid in cash at the pre-agreed maturity date. Two parties exchange crypto assets directly for other crypto assets or fiat money in an OTC scenario. OTC trading makes it possible to buy and sell huge volumes of crypto assets without the need for a middleman or other hiccups. This resolution is considered an unprecedented step in the growth of the crypto marketplace for purchases owing to the transactions of OTC. This is also a first step in gaining exposure for the bank's Bitcoin and crypto market activities to their customers. Co-president and head of global markets Damien Vanderwilt, Galaxy Digital, said Goldman's faith in us is a tribute to Galaxy's competence and ability to satisfy the increasing expectations of institutions as crypto confirms itself as a fifth asset class. According to Vanderwilt, a more systematic and linked transition is taking place because of future changes in markets and exchange-based items. He also states that whereas this seems like a significant hazard, it simply raises the faith and trust of banks in crypto's maturity. You must be thinking about what over-the-counter cryptocurrency trading is, right? Over-the-counter personal dealing in crypto and bitcoins is meant by the term crypto trading. An intermediary is not required to facilitate these transactions. It is possible to exchange one kind of cryptocurrency for a different one. Compared to cleared futures or other exchange-based products or options, transactions are far more systematically significant, says Vanderwilt. The bank is taking a risk and displaying faith in crypto's capacity to mature at the chosen date. Galaxy Digital is an excellent example of an institutional investor that often invests in vast blocks of an asset. A desk is a place where individuals or institutions may buy or sell large amounts of cryptocurrency in an OTC environment. Last year, Goldman Sachs and Galaxy Digital began trading Bitcoin futures contracts. According to Crypto Potato, the bank's new OTC crypto options trading would be riskier since it will be acting as a principal in the transactions. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like and subscribe to our channel for more fun. We will be back soon with another one, so click that notification bell below to stay tuned for our new videos. This is Altcoin Capital signing out. Until next time!